must be our new e-commerce customer. Here at Enginetech, we're very glad to have you. Now, the e-commerce process doesn't have to be confusing. We've created this video to explain everything. Now, this video has chapters, so feel free to skip ahead, but we suggest that you watch the entire thing so you don't miss all the fun. And now, without any further ado, please enjoy the feature presentation.
I suppose you know why you're here.
I was told I had to fill out an application.
You can fill it out here or online using DocuSign. We're also going to need your references.
Filling out our e-commerce customer application is simple. Enginetech supplies multiple options for providing your bank account information and credit card information.
What is ACES and PIES data? Aftermarket Catalog Exchange Standard, ACES, and Product Information Exchange Standard, PIES. ACES and PIES. ACES and PIES utilizes a standard method of communication that is machine readable by all trading partners and exclusive to the automotive industry. ACES is the aftermarket industry data standard for the management and communication of product fitment data. Year, make, and model is included. PIES is the aftermarket industry data standard for the management and communication of product information. We give you pictures, dimensions, and helpful marketing content like product features and benefits. Both ACES and PIES are critical for your e-commerce business, and Enginetech supplies them directly to you every month. ACES and PIES.
I'm here with Tony, team leader of sales. Hey Tony, what is FTP?
FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. I know it sounds fancy, but it's just another word to download, upload, and transfer files from one location to the other, through the internet and between computer systems.
Oh, I see. So we use FTP because it's a secure way to transfer a large amount of data directly to our customers easily?
Yep, you got it. Enginetech uses FTP to give once a month access to ACES and PIES, and you can also have the option to use your own FTP site, or you can use ours.
Well, there you have it. That's FTP.
Whoa, check out that feedback!
Hey, speaking of feedback, did you know we provide a live feed? Live inventory can be sent to your email as many times a day as you want. You just tell us how often you would like updates, and we'll take care of it for you. You can also customize your live feed to feature only the products that you sell, or to see everything Enginetech has in stock. Hit it! EDI, or Electronic Data Interchange, facilitates business document exchange, such as purchase orders, invoices, and shipping notices between trading partners and customers, all in a standardized format. E-commerce testing is a crucial process that involves evaluating and validating various aspects of an online store to ensure its reliability, functionality, and security.
Thank you. It's my pleasure to announce the nominees for the top 100 individual parts sold over the past 12 months. This award is presented with the highest honors, and all Enginetech customers are watching these rising stars. It is a pleasure to be here today to announce the winners among these deserving candidates. And the nominees are camshafts, pistons, gaskets, head bolts. And the winner is... you! Enginetech customers are the real winners. Enginetech provides e-commerce customers with the top 100 parts so that you can stay informed. Congratulations!
Hello again! You've made it to the end of the video, and we hope you had fun. Enginetech is here to support you if you have questions every step of the way. Just give us a call at 1-800-869-8711. Thank you for trusting Enginetech with your e-commerce business. We're happy to support you. Have a wonderful day.